My name is Jeremiah, and this is the Anderson Landry YouTube channel. So I just got back to the house. Tonight. We obviously brought the mulcher home. Not the best backup job. Just gonna put it out there. It's all sorts of crooked, and I'm tired. I don't care. But I did get something in the mail today, and I should have been more prepared to make this video because I gotta go get one tool. The wife is home. Oh, she's gonna drive around. Look at that. But she had to go feed the dogs. But I gotta find a Torx bit. The crazy thing, it was right behind the camera on the toolbox. You know, where it belongs. Anyways, this is my baby. This is my favorite saw. This is a 2000, man, it might even be an 18. Probably a 2019 461. So a couple years old. This saw gets worked. None of that fancy fuel injected stuff. You pull it, it starts. But I've always ran a 20-inch bar on it as my main bar, because typically this is the everything saw, cuts trees down, bucks them up. A lot of storm work, a lot of Hurricane Michael was cut up with this saw, as well as all of last year's hurricanes in Louisiana, Hurricane Florence. What other big name hurricanes did we go to? There's one more. I don't know. But as you can see, it needs some love. It's very dirty, a lot of caked on stuff, sap and oil. And then the muffler. That's what we're actually here for today. So I ordered a new muffler, a bark box from West Coast Saws. Now, West Coast Saws on Instagram, if you don't follow them, you should, because he built some little rippers, is out of Oregon, I think, actually. But they do a lot of bigger saws for loggers, guys who do a lot of felling, and then climbers. They make some rippers. I think they're the ones that do the rippers for the 201s and stuff. Now the crazy thing is this is super rusted. This muffler's had a lot of heat cycles, a bunch of heat cycles. Twice this saw has been ran by lesser sawmen, and they ran it with straight gas. Almost a whole tank of straight gas went through this saw very early on in its life. Now is when I put my foot down about, that's my saw. But anyways, this muffler kind of beat up. Muffler cover, I'm not really sure what this is called. Missed that shift, didn't he? Ooh. No one's looking, no one's judging. So I did, for the last few nights, just zap those bolts with some PB Blaster, hoping that it would make them come out easy, and they did. I'm not sure if it's attributed to the PB Blaster, but it didn't hurt it. I know that. Let's not break the tip off this knife. I always do that. like that. Anyways, this just goes on. What's up, baby boy? The spark arrestor for the factory muffler is in the way. So we're going to try and take the whole muffler off. And see, careful, that's an axe, Caitlin.
I know, I see him.
And see if that'll help. See that spark arrestor? These tabs are hitting it. Now I'm sure West Coast Saws has a video tutorial on Instagram or YouTube on how to fix this. But where's the fun in that? This is first startup.
Why do you want it loud like that? Alright guys, so got it on. It looks beautiful. I do need to go order a new gasket kit. I'm gonna order a new muffler anyways, just because I didn't like this one getting all torn up like that. I'm gonna get a new gasket kit for it, and we're getting the dogs, new set of dogs. Dual-sided dogs, you know, the ones from West Coast Saw. I don't forget what they're called. Felling spikes, whatever you want to call them. Probably gonna put a new barn chain on it. This one's been on for a long time.
Arby. We got the meat. What do they say? It's the meat. I forget the name of it, but anyways, let's go eat dinner, guys.